Certainly. Let's dive into the fascinating world of technology and its profound impact on our planet. Imagine a world without the internet, smartphones, or even electricity. Humanity's journey has been defined by innovation, with each technological advancement propelling us forward into new realms of possibility and connectivity. At its core, technology is about solving problems and improving efficiency. From the invention of the wheel to the development of artificial intelligence, every leap in technology has reshaped how we live, work, and interact with each other and the world around us. One of the most transformative aspects of technology is its ability to connect people globally. The Internet, in particular, has turned the world into a global village, where information flows freely and instantaneously across borders and cultures. Social media platforms have revolutionized how we communicate, allowing us to stay connected with friends and family, and even mobilize social and political movements on a global scale. In the realm of healthcare, technology has enabled remarkable advancements in diagnosis, treatment, and patient care. From life-saving medical devices to personalized treatments based on genetic data, technology has significantly extended human lifespan and improved quality of life for countless individuals. In education, technology has democratized access to knowledge. Online learning platforms and digital classrooms have made it possible for anyone with an internet connection to learn new skills and pursue educational opportunities that were once limited to a privileged few. The impact of technology on business and industry cannot be overstated. Automation and robotics have revolutionized manufacturing and logistics, increasing efficiency and productivity. E-commerce platforms have transformed the way we shop and do business, creating new economic opportunities and markets around the globe. However, along with its myriad benefits, technology also presents challenges and ethical dilemmas. Issues such as data privacy, cybersecurity, and the digital divide highlight the need for responsible innovation and regulation to ensure that technology serves the greater good. Looking ahead, emerging technologies like blockchain, quantum computing, and renewable energy solutions hold the promise of further transforming our world. These innovations have the potential to address some of humanity's most pressing challenges, from climate change to global inequality. In conclusion, technology is a double-edged sword that has reshaped our world in profound ways. It has connected us like never before, empowered individuals and communities, and driven unparalleled economic growth and innovation. As we navigate the future, harnessing the power of technology responsibly will be key to ensuring a sustainable and inclusive world for generations to come.